In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Mailchimp add-on by Wpforms. Email marketing has become an integral part of modern business strategies, and streamlining this process can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in and make your email marketing easy and efficient. To begin with, the first thing you need to do is install and activate the Wpforms plugin along with the Mailchimp add-on. If you haven't already installed Wpforms, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section. Here, click on Add New and search for Wpforms. Once you find it, click Install, then Activate. It's that simple. With Wpforms up and running, the next step is to add the Mailchimp add-on to it. Head over to the Wpforms settings and click on the Add-ons tab. Here, search for the Mailchimp add-on, and when you find it, click to install and activate it. This add-on will facilitate the connection between Wpforms and Mailchimp, ensuring a seamless data integration. With the Mailchimp add-on activated, it's time to connect your Mailchimp account. Go back to the Wpforms settings and you'll see a Mailchimp tab. Click on it. Here you'll find an Add New Account button. Click on this and a field will appear asking for your Mailchimp API key. Access your Mailchimp account and locate your API key under your account settings. Copy that key and paste it back into the Wpforms Mailchimp account page. Name your new Mailchimp connection whatever you like. This is just for your reference. Once completed, save the integration and voila! Your Mailchimp account is now linked to Wpforms. Next, we need to create or edit a form within Wpforms. This form will serve as the bridge between your website and Mailchimp. If you're making a new form, go into the Wpforms dashboard and click on Add New. Choose a template that suits your needs, whether it's a simple contact form or something more advanced. Give your form a catchy title that matches its purpose. If you're editing an existing form, simply navigate to the forms page and select the one you wish to modify. Customize the fields according to the data you wish to collect, such as name, email, and any other relevant information. Now for the crucial part, adding the Mailchimp connection to your form. Within the form builder, click on the Marketing tab on the left-hand side. Select Mailchimp from the drop-down menu and click Add New Connection. Name this connection to easily identify it later and select your Mailchimp account. Next, choose the desired audience list from your Mailchimp, ensuring subscribers will be directed to the right segment. You're able to map form fields to Mailchimp fields, verifying all of your information ends up where it should. Double check these mappings to guarantee accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Mailchimp add-on with Wpforms. Now that the form is ready to go, you can embed it on your website and start collecting email subscribers seamlessly. With everything in place, email marketing becomes not just easy, but also incredibly effective.